In this exercise, we'll subtract polynomials. We have x cubed minus 0.4x squared minus 12 minus the quantity x to the fifth plus 0.3x cubed plus 0.4x squared plus 9. The first thing that we need to do is to remove the parentheses. And on the first polynomial, I can remove them just by not writing them again. So I have x cubed minus 0.4x squared minus 12. The second quantity in parentheses is preceded by a minus sign. So to remove these parentheses, I can just change the sign of every term inside them. So I would have minus x to the fifth minus 0.3x cubed minus 0.4x squared, and finally minus 9. Now I need to collect like terms, and let's look through here. Let's start with the highest exponent on x, which is the power 5. And I just have this one x to the fifth term, so I can write the opposite of x to the fifth here. Now there are no x to the fourth terms, but there are two x cubed terms, and I can collect them by adding their coefficients. So I have 1 minus 0.3 x cubed. Here's an x squared term, and here's another one. So I'll have minus 0.4 minus 0.4 x squared. There are no x terms, but I have the two constant terms, so I'll have plus minus 12 minus 9. And now I just simplify. I have the opposite of x to the fifth. 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7, so I have plus 0.7x cubed. Negative 0.4 minus 0.4 gives me negative 0.8. That's times x squared. And negative 12 minus 9 is negative 21. So this is the final result of this subtraction.